Welcome to Kissan Time Table. This is Ajay Chopra. Today your child is going to travel to Mexico क्योंकि हम बनाएंगे loaded potato skins. This is a Mexican dish, but it's going to get a lovely, beautiful, healthy twist. I'm not going to deep fry it. I'm going to bake it. Well, this recipe is actually very tasty. I have got boiled potatoes. I've cut them and then boiled them. So all we have to do is just gently spoon out the center of the potato. Now I'm not going to throw the inside of the potato mixture because we're going to use it as the stuffing. I'm going to just drizzle this with a little bit of oil and some salt and pepper. It gets a little light crispness. Some pepper and some salt. Now all of this goes inside the oven, gets nicely crispened at about 180 degrees for about 6 to 8 minutes. Well, till the time the potatoes are getting nicely brown and crispened, let's make the stuffing for the potatoes. Again, very simple. I'm going to saute some onions in butter. Some onion and a little bit of chopped garlic. Always season your food at all stages. Salt, some pepper, and then I have some chopped spring onion greens which I'm going to add. Some chopped coriander. The potatoes which came out of the shell go right in. And then I'm adding some fresh bean sprouts. At this stage, I want to add some lovely Kissan tomato ketchup. This ketchup is going to give a great replacement for the tomatoes because we're not going to add tomatoes at all. And obviously the zingy, nice, tangy flavor of the ketchup is going to lift the dish up. Finally, a little bit of cream, and then the flame's off. All right, I'm done. I hope the potatoes are done as well. Let's go check it. Look at that. The skin has become nice and crinkled, which means even everything is cooked and it's a little bit crispy. Now I'm going to just load this with the stuffing. Cheese. And this in the oven for another 3 to 4 minutes. The cheese is going to nicely melt. It's going to become beautiful. Well, I'm sure the potatoes are nicely gratinated, as in the cheese is melting. लेके आते हैं. A little bit of freshly chopped coriander, ready for the tiffin. There you go. There you go. Some nice healthy peanuts to snack on, freshly cut pineapple. Stunning dish, international dish for your everyday tiffin.